Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. So, student, today our topic is season. So, student, the four seasons in our country are spring, summer, winter, and autumn, and the season repeat every year. First one is spring. Spring comes after winter. Day and nights are less cold than in winter. The weather is pleasant. New leaves start growing on trees. Next one is summer. In summers, days are hot and night warm. Days are longer than night. In the last days, summer can be very rainy. People wear light colored dress. Next one is winter. Winter comes after autumn. Days and night are cold. Days are shorter than night. During winter, it may snow in some part of our country. Come after summer, days are shorter than in summer. Leaves may drop from some trees.